Welcome to KSR Evidence, database of systematic reviews in healthcare since 2015. This video will walk you through building an advanced search strategy using the Advanced Search interface and highlight some of the search features KSR Evidence has to offer. For this video, we will search for systematic reviews that are related to the impact of COVID-19 on mental health. Now, it should be noted that mental health is an enormous topic and would require an extensive search to do it properly. So the search strategies covered in this video should just be seen as a starting point, and they would need to be developed further for actual use in research. This is the homepage of ksrevidence.com, and you can see the simple search box right here. To start, we just want to know if there's anything available on this topic, and the simple search is perfect for that. The simple search on KSR Evidence searches for just these terms across all text and all fields, meaning that these 441 results do not paint the full picture of what is actually available on the topic. But to get the full picture, we need to build an advanced search strategy, so let's go ahead and do that. The advanced search interface on KSR Evidence allows you to conduct more complex searches within the database. From here, you can build searches that consist of multiple lines, combine them with Boolean operators, limit them by specific fields, or use proximity operators. Here we can select fields to search, which acts as a filter to only show reviews that, for example, have the relevant keywords in the title or abstract. Using these field limiters, it can help make your search more precise. We can also add limiters like robust assessment, which is useful if we want to only include reviews that have been critically appraised by the KSR Evidence team. To find out more about the critical appraisal process, check out our other video. We can also limit the date published if we need to search in a specific time period. These are search tips with explanations about the different operators available on KSR Evidence. Now, we will go over most of these in the advanced search strategy we will build for our query to find systematic reviews that are related to the impact of COVID-19 on mental health. So let's begin. To add a new line, click on the plus icon. You can edit or remove it at any time, and there is no maximum to the amount of lines you can add to your search. Let's start with the basics. We've imposed a filter by title or abstract here, so we only retrieve records that have COVID or coronavirus in one or both of those fields. This is to make sure we get the most relevant results. Here we have truncated the search term by adding an asterisk to the end of it, so it retrieves any words starting with that stem. The inverted commas search for the words as an exact phrase. Now let's combine these terms with Boolean operator OR, which will create a final set of records which contains any of these COVID-related terms in the title or abstract fields. Now let's begin with the mental health aspect of our search. We have added truncation again and an adjacency operator. That means it will only pick up records that have the word mental or mentally and so on. Remember, we use truncation here to catch all variations. Within 3 words of health or ill or illness, again, we use truncation here, or disorder or disorders. Use of the adjacency terms in this way will help you limit to just those records of most relevance, and this is more precise than using the AND operator to combine them, because the search engine is looking for the words in close proximity to each other. So why not try changing the adjacency numbers to see how your results change? The use of brackets around social, edge, isolate means that social and isolate need to be next to each other in any records found. Okay, we have now added some more lines to try and round out the mental health aspect of our search. Remember that this search is only a starting point and would need further development to be used for projects or research. Now, let's combine these terms with the Boolean operator OR, so we have all the search terms on mental health combined in one line. And now for our final line of the search. This will combine our COVID-19 related lines of the search with the mental health ones, using the Boolean operator AND to find records that contain both COVID terms and mental health terms. With this search, we have retrieved 721 results. That is quite a difference compared with our simple search at the beginning of this video, where we only retrieved 441 records. Building an advanced search means you are searching on a broader range of search terms, and therefore you are less likely to miss records of interest. Now that we have our search complete, we can still make changes to individual lines, or we can remove them altogether, like so. We can still filter this set further using these filters on the left here. So let's filter by low risk of bias, so we get the highest quality evidence first, as rated by the KSR Evidence team. This filter that we just applied has also been reflected in the full strategy, which you can see here. We can save this search by clicking on the Save button. We can give the strategy a name and choose if we want to receive notifications of new reviews matching the search. We can always return to our saved searches by clicking on the login details at the top of the screen. And from this menu here, we can create a link to share the search, we can delete searches, and importantly, we can also rerun saved searches. So after rerunning a search, we can add a previously saved search onto the end of an existing one. To do so, click on the heart, and then combine the two searches to create a final result set. Need more tips? Check out the help section on ksrevidence.com.